anniversary for Just Nailed It, and we have got us a surprise. We have us a PR package for Madam Glam. Came yesterday in the mail, well, 2 days ago in the mail. As you all know, my plate's really full with some personal stuff that's going on. So we're filming this today. Whatever a VIP wants, a VIP gets. Always 50% off. I do have a code on top of. I'll put that across the bottom of the screen, and it will always be in the description box. Emma free, 21 formula free, palm oil free. This is one that's important to me, cruelty free. This one is most important to me because I'm an animal lover. I mean, they're all important, but this one touches me, and it's vegan free. Handle with care. So as you can see, I've not opened it yet. I'm greatly excited. I am a little nervous. So you're all going to be in here with me. Oh boy. We're going to open it. Ooh. Open it together. What? Oh! Look at how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait a minute. Oh, she gave me a top coat. So we're going to get this all out of the box. And look at how beautifully they're packaged with the foam. They're very well protected. That's how you know your stuff is very well protected. So let's see what we got. Soak off gel polish. This is the blooming gel. I did request this. I cannot wait to play with that. We're not going to play with that this time. I'm going to do a special video featuring just this alone. This is a blooming gel. It's just clear. It's just clear. It is a blooming gel. Once again, I will do a video featuring just this by itself. Wait. She sent me a base coat. She sent me a base coat. So I've got, she sent me a base and a top coat. Woohoo! Thank you so much, honey. I greatly appreciate it. And I got to pick 5 colors of my choice. So much appreciate. Woo! I've got 5 shorties. Since I'm getting accused of playing on nail estate, nail estate so much, get some short nail estate. So we have got 5. Oh, I got 2 peaks. Not the same, but they're kind of close. We have bought Inner Peace and Spirit Guide. I'm loving this color. It reminds me of Periwinkle. It is called Mama Bear. We've also got Crystal Ball and Jetta. I think this color is going to be so, so pretty. So we are going to line these babies up. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. And try to keep this video as positive as possible. Base coat. Let's base coat our babies. Oh, there's no sphere guide. So we're going to base coat however you may want to skip through. You have seen nails be base coat applied before. You know what this looks like. And we're going to do the whiff test. There is no bad odor. Of course, it is Madam Glam. It has a nice little fragrance to it. pop these in the lamp. I do have a high power, it's like 160 watt lamp, so I'm only giving it a 30-second. Okay, first we're gonna try Jenna. We're gonna swatch Jenna out for you. Ooh, look at her. She is so pretty. Look how pretty this is. Just some long strokes. Self-levels nicely. These are brand new full bottles. Try to wipe as much off the brush as possible. And come back in and go over the nail again. These are so pretty. Look at that. And this beauty here is Inner Peace. Lord knows I can use some of that right now. There's so many things I want to say in this video that have nothing to do with Madam Glam, that's personal and I want to update, but I can't, and that will be for another video. Look at this. Took too much off the brush. I took way too much off the brush. I had too much on the brush of Jenna. I took too much off the brush of Inner Peace. They say rule of thumb, 2 coats. We'll let it self-level. Our next beauty is Spirit Guide. And they are, let's pick it up and do this, choose the color. Right here this time I'm going to give it a full 60 seconds, even though I have a high powered lamp. Oh, this is so pretty. So pretty. So pretty. I'll take some more off the brush. Wait for it to self-level, and again, choose the color. They are oh so pretty. They're Spirit Guide. Over here is Crystal Ball. This is like a coral peach or coral pinky kind of light. They're all beautiful colors. I do try to pick colors that I don't have. You know, colors that are not in my collection of any sort. Mama Bear. I mean, I have a lot of polishes. I do not have Glams. I have a couple. But I wanted colors that, in all of the colors that I own that I didn't have. You know, so I was like picking outside my box. This color here, you know, like I said, kind of reminds me of a periwinkle, a darker periwinkle, and I just think it is so pretty. Oh, so pretty. Definitely gonna be using these. I don't stick with the seasonal colors for manicures. I use what I feel, what I'm feeling, you know. They're all true to color with the caps. Look at these, they all self-level nicely. They're beautiful, just beautiful. So I'm gonna stick these in the lamp for 60. Alright, we are back in a lamp. Our colors are fully cured and stunning. True to color with what is on the bottle. We have got Jenna, Inner Peace, Spirit Guide, Crystal Ball, and Mama Bear. My favorite, I'm digging Mama Bear big time, and I'm loving Jenna. I just love the shade of green. Mama Bear is definitely got to be my favorite, which is this almost periwinkle color here on the end. This is just a true color that I love. Thank you, Madam Glam, for picking me up for the PR. I greatly appreciate so much. Hoping to continue to work with you down the road. Don't forget, folks, head on over. They do have a VIP that you can join where it's taken right out of your account each month. You get a credit, you can let it build, you can shop each month however you want to do it. They have it each month where they have the sale. It's like 50-60% off. They have great deals all the time. There's always a sale going on at Madam Glam. Do not forget about the blooming gel. I'm going to do a special video where it's just solely about the blooming gel. So stay tuned for that. Oh, I got a top coat. I have to top coat. I forgot about that. You can't forget the top coat. We have to seal in the beauty. Seal in the beauty. I almost forgot. I cannot believe that. I thought we were completely finished. Not just yet. Not just yet. Oh, wait, I got a lot on this brush. We'll share with the thumbnail. Smooth this out. Even the top coat self-levels. So we're going to stick this in the lamp for 60. There we go. Beauty is sealed in. I think they're just beautiful colors, I truly do. I'm so happy with my choices. So very happy with the choices that I made. So let me comment down below. Excuse me, the froggy's coming back again. So let me know what you think of the colors that I picked. They are very beautiful, I feel. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell, that way you get notified of all future videos. Any important information that may slide across my desk. Again, this is made in Glam, as you see before you. 5 beautiful, stunning colors. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.